After days of rain, work at Camp Nou is back at full speed. With no matches scheduled, construction crews now have uninterrupted access to the stadium, and the results are already visible. From structural preparations at the upper levels to rapid progress across key areas, the stadium is entering a phase where changes can be seen day by day. Concrete pouring has begun and progressed strongly on the parking ramp. Reinforcement installation was largely completed beforehand, allowing continuous pouring throughout the day. Most of the ramp had already been concreted, with remaining sections being finalized. This ramp connects upper and lower parking levels and represents one of the final major structural elements of the parking system. Preparation work for the compression ring is clearly advancing. Black base plates are now visible on top of several super pillars along the lateral side and near the north goal corner. These bases are being integrated into concrete slabs to ensure structural stability. In parallel, metal support platforms for the compression ring beams are being assembled, indicating that beam installation is approaching. Installation of prefabricated seating elements continues across the third tier. Strong progress is visible along the lateral side and the south goal, while work in the north goal area remains more complex due to active platforms and ongoing structural tasks. Elevator cores and stair access points continue to advance steadily. Glass panels have started arriving on site for the VIP ring. Several sections already show glass installed within aluminum frames, marking the transition from structural work to enclosure and finishing stages. Additional deliveries suggest continued progress in the coming days. Installation of ceramic lamas continues along the lateral facade. Panels are being carefully aligned and fixed, with new pallets arriving on site. Anchoring systems and structural checks are ongoing to ensure accurate placement and long-term stability. In several sections, installation density has increased, making the facade look more complete. This steady progress suggests that exterior works will advance more rapidly in the coming phase. Work at the south goal area continues to move forward at a steady pace. Installation of prefabricated seating elements remains active, with visible progress across the lower and middle sections. Structural works around the terraces and support areas are also advancing, while platforms and machinery remain in place for finishing and alignment tasks. Diamond-shaped access structures continue to advance, including the entrance for away supporters. Interior works such as lighting, electrical installations, and finishing preparations are currently underway, supporting future vertical circulation to upper tiers. Work continues across the main parking areas beyond the ramp. Drainage pipes and water management systems are being installed to ensure proper runoff, while underground service lines are being placed and secured. Work across the Camp Nou site continues to advance steadily on multiple fronts. Several teams are active at the same time in different parts of the stadium, allowing both structural and finishing tasks to progress in parallel. Overall, the stadium is clearly moving into a more advanced construction phase, with consistent daily progress and important milestones approaching. Major milestones are approaching as construction accelerates across the stadium. If you found this update useful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for the next update.